What if I told you there's a way to mine multiple coins at the same time, get paid within minutes, and even earn crypto without owning a single mining rig? Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing ViaBTC, a global cryptocurrency mining service, aiming to bring the world together by providing the best mining services. We're talking about a global mining pool founded in 2016 and trusted by hundreds of thousands of miners worldwide. It offers a stable and high-performance mining infrastructure with strong security. ViaBTC supports multiple crypto assets, including BTC, LTC, Cash, Doge, BCH, and more. ViaBTC also supports LTC merged mining, allowing users to mine 8 coins at the same time without using extra power. LTC, Doge, Bells, LKY, PEP, JKC, Dingo, and Chic. Smart mining also helps users automatically switch to the most profitable coin. ViaBTC also offers fast payouts and even automatic withdrawals. Mining rewards are settled within minutes. Set up auto-withdrawals to have your earnings sent directly to your wallet automatically, and there's a guide to show you how to do it. So you can get paid passively every single day. Automatically. And even if you're not a miner, you can still earn through their generous referral program. Just share your link and earn a lifetime commission from users who join ViaBTC through you. And there's also the Ambassadors program, which offers high-tier benefits for community leaders or content creators. One amazing. Another feature that ViaBTC just added is their upgrade to support Doge as collateral if you want to get loans in cryptocurrencies. They offer flexible, low interest rates for users who want to borrow without selling their crypto assets. You can go through their documents and files to understand how their mining services work, and also their loan services. Just click the link down in the description. A really exciting feature is their community. They are highly engaged and have built a huge network and community on social media. By the way, you can find their social media links in the description below and give them a follow, where they keep you updated on all their giveaways, competitions, and also updates about their services. They already have 1 million users in over 150 countries. So, if you're looking to generate some extra passive income by mining in 10 different pools like Bitcoin, BCH, LTC, and other cryptocurrencies, with real-time hash rate monitoring, hourly earnings distributions, and transparent data, then ViaBTC is for you. Just click the link down in the description to join today. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just getting started, ViaBTC gives you everything you need to maximize your earnings, and even offers ways to earn without mining at all. Click the link in the description, check out the platform, and start earning with ViaBTC today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming videos that will definitely help you on your cryptocurrency journey. And feel free to leave us a comment with any questions you have that we haven't answered yet. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.